Hi, I'm Travis from Bil-Jax. Today I'm going to show you how to load an EZRax system. When your project is complete and you are ready to load the EZRax up to return, follow these steps to easily load. First, remove snap pin from latch and open. Place outriggers on the rack between the two supports. Rotate the latch to hold the outriggers in place. Secure latch in place with snap pin. Second, place walkboards with the underside facing out against the support arm. Third, place side panels in front of walkboards. Fourth, place side toe boards in front of the side panels. Slide toe boards into the rack pocket located at the bottom of the EZRax. Next, place a catacorner brace in front of the toe boards and slide into the rack pocket. Then, place cross braces in front of the side toe boards and on top of the catacorner brace. Slide braces into the rack pocket. Next, place casters in front of the outriggers and end guardrail panels. Insert the stem end into the vertical tube. Secure each in place with a snap pin. Now to loading the other side of the EZRax. First, place the frames on the other side of the rack on the top support arm. Insert the bottom of the scaffold frame over the tube to hold in place. Then, once all frames are loaded, place end guardrail panels in front of the frames on the lower support arm. Insert the bottom of each panel over the tube to hold it in place. Next, we are going to secure everything in place for safe transport. Please note, if the ratchet strap comes apart, follow these steps. Feed the end of the strap through the lower slot in the handle ratchet coming up from the bottom. Pull up so more strap is available. Then start ratcheting by pulling the handle. Now we are ready to go. First, on the frame side of the EZRax, use the 10-foot strap and attach to ring A. Then wrap around the frames and end guard panels and attach to ring B. Tighten the strap using the larger black handle. Second, on the caster side of the EZRax, use a 6-foot strap and attach to ring C. Then, wrap around the walkboard section and attach to ring D. Tighten strap. Third, use the other 6-foot strap and attach to ring D. Then, wrap around the outriggers and attach strap back to ring D. Tighten strap. Next, remove the snap pin from the support tube. Then, insert the bracket into the support tube and secure in place with a snap pin. Lastly, check to ensure all parts are secure on the EZRax. Do not transport if parts are loose. Do not transport if any straps are missing or in bad condition.